Today I'll be teaching you guys how we guys can remove the watch video icon on Facebook. So as you guys can see at the bottom, I have this icon. If I click on it, I can watch videos from over here. And if I want to remove it, I can click on menu at the bottom right of my screen. And once I'm over here, I can click on setting at the top right. And inside of my Facebook setting, I need to scroll all the way down and click on where it says navigation bar. And it should be right below preference tab. So click on navigation bar. And from inside navigation bar, I need to click on where it says customize the bar. Now from over here, I can choose what thing I want to be displayed at the bottom and what thing I don't want to be displayed. So at the top where it says video, it says pinned. And pinned means that it's going to be shown over here. Now in order to remove it, I need to change it from pinned to hidden. So what I need to do is right beside video, there's the pinned option, click on it. And in your case, it might show you auto, but doesn't matter. Pinned and auto means the same thing. Click on it and click on hide. Once you click on hide, it's going to be removed. As you guys can see, my video icon just got removed and it got replaced by friend request. So yeah, that is how you guys can remove your watch video icon on Facebook. It's that simple. So if you guys found our video helpful, then hit the subscribe to our channel How to Guide for future videos just like this. I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, have a nice day.